Hey guys, welcome back to my builds. Today I'm going to be doing a mock review video about that car I told you I would do last time. The car that looked like this and it had an engine. I took the engine apart so I could show you guys in today's video how to build it. So first things first, these are all the parts you'll need, so feel free to pause the video and collect all the pieces if you're planning to build it. And letting you know these are all 1x2 plates. I'm sorry it's a little dark, gotta fix my lighting. But yeah, those are all the parts you'll need for the engine, the Lego V2 engine. I honestly like V engines, so I'm especially excited to build this one today. Hopefully my camera angle will be alright. I'm just experimenting here with the new view, because I figured you'll be able to see all the pieces instead of the top. I think it looks a bit nicer. Alright, so the first step to building this Lego engine is you'll need to grab a 1x4 like this with 3 pin stud like holes in the middle, and then you'll need 2 1x2 plates and just stack them underneath. And then you'll need a 1x2 with a hole through the center. And then this right here will need to be repeated, so I'm just going to do that again. And also the color of the 1x2s doesn't matter. I just don't have it the same of every color, so I'm just using different colors as needed and all the colors I have available currently. So as you can see, now we have the 2 frames. For now we're going to start with the light gray frame, and what we're going to do is we're going to start out by building we're going to take this T Technic piece. We're going to attach a black friction pin onto the middle right here, and then attach the T just like that. So now it's in the same pin shape or angle as the bricks are showing. I think it looks kind of cool. And then your next step, you turn this around, then you put this through here, and then you attach this piece right here. As you can see, it kind of does that right now. Then next step is you'll need to attach these for this piece and this one down here. I didn't have enough friction pins to build this whole thing, so I'm just using some frictionless pins. But you can use friction pins as necessary, just like that. And then your next step is to attach these cylinder heads right here, and then attach a piston head just so that you can fit the cylinder head into the cylinder. Sorry, it's a bit difficult for me though with the whole new camera angle and trying to make sure it looks good for you guys. But so far that's what this does right here. As you can see, the piston moves through the cylinder. It's going to look really cool at the end. And then you, so for our next step, I should say, you're going to take this piston head and put it the opposite way, like that. And then just attach this other cylinder head and stick the piston into the cylinder. Again, it's kind of difficult because I have to match up the angle. And then from there, you're going to want to attach this crank part here. Let me just bring this into camera view and put it right there. Sorry, it jiggles right now because it doesn't have any attachments yet, but it'll look better in a minute. Next step, you attach 2 black friction pins right there and right there. and then you take the other cylinder, or not cylinder, the brick configuration structure, and you attach it to the other side. Oh boy. Come on, there it is. Just like that. Now we have closed off the engine. Then you're just going to want to take a black friction pin, put it right there, and put another T through it, making sure that this T also aligns with the axle on the end here. As you can see now, it's a working engine. But for some more detail, what we can do is first of all attach a few gears and parts. Well, not a few gears, I only have one gear, but you can attach a gear, and then half bushing. I chose yellow because it stands out most. Looks kind of cool, you know. All those motorcycle fans out there watching, you probably are familiar with this layout. And then your next step, you would take for details, you take a 2x4. The holes through it doesn't really matter. I just chose it because it looks kind of cool on an engine, and you just lay it directly in the middle here, and then you put these 2x2 jumper plates in light gray on top, and then you take these two 2x2 yellow cylinder pieces, not to be confused with the cylinder itself, and you just stack them on top. Looks kind of cool, like valves, you know. Then you take 1x2s, just to make this look like an official model, so you can stand it. And then you just put the plates underneath it as well. And now, as you can see, guys, we have our very own Lego V2. I honestly like this model. It looks very cool to me. Just the overall fact that it's very simple to build. Now, if you don't have some of these parts, obviously, you can go on Amazon, and some other companies from around the world can sell parts, like engine heads, which I'll be buying from soon, because I'm going to be doing some more engine pieces in my tow truck video. Little Easter egg here. And yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. So obviously, yes, here's the overhead view of the engine running. Looks kind of cool. Here's the side view. I think I'll just do a 360 as I rotate this center shaft here. I feel like it looks amazing. Now, obviously, I built this model different from the way I built the car, because I won't be able to put this back on the car. But I just wanted to show you guys this because I feel like it's simpler when you take it off the model and then build it. And then obviously for some small questions out there, here's the mechanism for how you'd power the engine. You have a differential, and that in the wheels it runs to a gear which runs across a couple of axles as the drivetrain to where the engine would be. Looks really cool, like a standard V6 or V8 almost. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna show you guys in today's video. Let me just adjust the camera here. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, share with a friend if you know anybody who is maybe a motorcycle fan and would like to see how these things work, or like the inside or something. I don't know, anything really cool. Be sure to subscribe. It tells me that you enjoy my content, but also it allows you to know when I do my next few videos. In the future here, sorry about that. In the future here, I might be releasing a couple more videos on the updates and progress of my plans for this channel, like the table that's going to be going in for my city. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.